Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a semicircle. The diameter of this semicircle is 16 unit and there is a circle inside it. We have to find the area of this green region. Consider the area of this green region is A. So the area of this region will also be A, and consider this area is B. If the area of full semicircle is C, then we can write C is equal to this A plus A, this two area plus this area. That means twice A plus B. This is the relation between the area. Now, if the radius of this big circle is capital R and the radius of this small circle is small r, then R will be, as the diameter is 16 unit, so 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 unit, and the radius of this small circle is half of the radius of big circle. So the radius of a small circle will be R over 2. That means R is equal to 8. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 unit. Now in this expression, the area of this big semicircle will be 1 over 2 times pi r square, because this is the semicircle, so area of full circle and divided by 2 is equal to this twice A plus B, that means the area of this small circle, and its area will be pi times r square, and substituting this to r we will get the value of A, that means the area of green region, or this 1 over 2 times pi times r square, we have capital R is equal to 8, so 8 square is equal to this twice A plus pi times this small r, which is 4. So 4 and this square, or this 1 over 2 times pi and 8 square, this is 64, is equal to this twice A plus this pi times 4 square is 16, or 64 divided by 2, here it will remain 32. So left side will be 32 times pi is equal to this twice A plus this pi times 16 is 16 pi. Now taking this 16 pi to left side and writing this left side to right, and we will get this twice A. So twice A, this will be this 32 times pi minus this 16 times pi, or left side twice A is equal to 32 pi minus 60 pi is 16 pi, and divided both side by 2, we will get A is equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8 times this pi, and the value of A, that means the area of this green region is 8 times pi. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.